All right, so we're here with our 2012 Camaro SS. We just got it off the truck here at Beach Bend Raceway Park in Bowling Green, Kentucky for the start of Hot Rod Power Tour 2018. Last time you saw us, we installed this Edelbrock E4 Supercharger for a 5th gen Camaro on it, and we wrapped the thing red. So it's red, it says Hot Rod Test Car on the side. Everybody's gonna see us rolling on Hot Rod Power Tour, and we're gonna put this thing to the test. We decided to come by the Edelbrock booth to learn a little bit about what we put on our car before we put it on the dyno. So I'm here with Kerry, and he's going to teach us a little bit about the E-Force.
Nice part about our superchargers is there are a few key points. One of which is they all fit underneath the hood. The rotors are actually down in the valley of the motor, so that's what allows us to actually have it sit underneath the hood. And then air likes to do a sweeping motion. Air doesn't like to do 90-degree turns. So you'll see spokes out there where the supercharger sits on top, and it looks cool, but it's really not efficient. In our situation, each side has a heat exchanger to it. So you've got a section here and a section here. And that's a quick way to bolt on 100 to 150 horsepower.
We're excited to see how this thing does on Power Tour. We're going to put it on the track.
Excellent, excellent.
We just got the Camaro strapped down on the dyno. We're going to work it up to 4th gear, make a 4th gear pull all the way to redline. This car has gone through the hands of so many magazines, so many people have worked on it. I have no idea what's going to happen. Everything's working great. We're gonna put this thing on the autocross as well as on the drag strip. Right now we're gonna give you a quick tour around the event before that. We're a couple days into Hot Rod Power Tour 2018, and we are at the second stop. Lots and lots of killer stuff here. I mean, the parking lots are just packed with cars. 55 Chevy Gassers. You got a little bit of everything. Ford F100 stuff. Look at the crazy flame job underneath the hood of that Camaro. I mean, there's even AMC Rebel machines. Like, that's not something you see on the road very often, but here at Power Tour, you get a little bit of everything. We just did the first driving leg. Everything is working great. The E4 Supercharger on this has been flawless, and tons more to come from this event.